Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the net launcher. This is where the action begins. Open your crafting menu, find the blueprint, and craft it now so you can aim immediately. Once done, attach one rope and 2 metal fragments to the launcher, then place it on your hotbar in a convenient slot. Make sure the launcher shows sufficient durability %. Low durability reduces net release consistency. You're ready to approach a target and use a controlled, steady aim before firing. You now focus on the aiming and firing technique that actually captures. Crouch to steady your view, then aim at the creature's mid-body rather than head or feet. This increases hit probability. Hold the fire button to charge the launcher briefly, release when the crosshair aligns, which produces a wider net spread and improves entanglement. Make sure your distance stays between 3 to 8 meters. Too close or too far reduces capture chance. Practice this rhythm to build reliable hits. You finish by securing the catch and handling issues that arise. Once the target is ensnared, move in slowly. Don't sprint. Approach and pick up the creature or item. This prevents escape. If the launcher's durability drops, repair it with metal fragments immediately because a weakened launcher fires inconsistently. If a shot fails, first verify your distance and ammo count, then reload resources and try again. Troubleshooting calmly prevents wasted material.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.